All right, today we're going to be reading mean comments. I'm Brian with the Seat Shop. I have not seen any of these yet, but some of the sales guys put together a little list for me to read through. So I'll be reading these for the first time that you're hearing it. So here we go. Well, I hope you're getting your order ready because I'm not going to wait much longer. You want to complain to me about weather, spelled W-E-T-H-E-R. That doesn't seem right to me. And I have no sympathy for your company or its employees, as I am a farmer in southeastern Wisconsin and have to deal with all the weather 365 days a year. Regardless, so ship my order or refund my payment. Your choice. Yes. Gotcha. So I guess this probably has to do with when we had the massive snowstorm, ice storm that shut everything in Texas down, shut all the refineries down, almost melted the entire power grid. But you're a farmer from Wisconsin, and you deal with the cold all the time. So I guess we're a bunch of here in Texas that can't deal with the heat. Yeah, we can't deal with the cold. But come down here in August and plow your effing field when it's 120. Okay, Wisconsin boy. Next one. Here we go. I don't understand, ... Why do you only have one single color option for the 2011 F-150 Platinum front seats? Really? I'm trying to think. In 11, there might have been one or two colors, possibly two colors. They're going to have a sienna and then a gray color. The only reason we wouldn't do that is if we don't have the right color material. So if we can't get the right material, not going to post it. So we're not going to post something that's just kind of close or is a close replica. I mean, it's a Platinum F-150. It's not a Pinto. So you want it to match. It's a nice truck. You want it to match up there. If we don't have the right materials to match it, we're not going to sell it. That's why we don't have it listed. Let's see here. Oh, nice. eBay, $67. I have no idea what that means. Maybe he found a cheap knockoff from China, and it was $67. Good luck installing that. Good luck with it looking good and lasting more than about 3 weeks. So about the best I can come up with on that. Next one. Should be named the Truck Seat Shop, and even then, you have very limited selection. Well, that's what we do. Our trucks and SUVs. It's advertised on our website. And all the stuff we put out, we do trucks and SUVs. We have a limited selection. We've got most of the trucks and SUVs, but there's weird editions, Harley Davidson editions and special editions and some of the King Ranch stuff. And there's a million different editions on all those. And it takes quite a bit of time to figure out all the different materials and options. And it's a lot of inventory to hold for every single type of fabric, material, leather to match every kind of edition out there. So your option is to go to the dealer, spend $800 for the cover, or hack around online and see if you can find it somewhere else, man. Well, that's been Brian for the first edition of Mean Feedbacks, I guess. Not too bad, but I guess to sum it up, here in Texas, and you can get cheap stuff in China for $67.